Okay children, let's move on to the next topic. Okay, I have a piece of cake. I have a piece of cake. I had divided it into two equal parts. How many equal parts? Two equal parts. Okay, and one part is being taken out. I have taken out one part. This shaded part shows I have taken out one part. So what is the fraction of the shaded part? You already learned it. Okay, the fraction of the shaded part is 1 by 2. Clear? Now, the same cake, I am dividing it into 4 equal parts. Same piece. Okay, out of which I am taking 2 parts out. So, the parts taken out is represented by that shading. So, what is the fraction of the shaded part? Tell me. Yes, 2 by 4. Because it's divided into 4 parts, out of which 2 taken out. Okay. Now, again, the same piece of cake is divided into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. And I am taking out 3 parts. Okay, so what is the fraction of the shaded part? The parts which are taken out. That is equal to 3 by 6. So if you look at all these pictures, we can see that this is half of the whole. And if you look at this also, this is also half of the whole. Out of 4 we took 2. That means it's the half of the whole, isn't it? And here out of 6 we took 3. 3 is the half of 6. So this also represents, all this shaded part represents the half of the whole thing. Right? That means all these fractions, the parts are representing the same, the half of the whole, but the fractions are represented in a different manner. Because this is divided into 4, so 2 by 4. This is divided into 6, this is 3 by 6. So all the shaded parts represent the fraction half. So we can say that all these fractions 2 by 4, 3 by 6. Now if you do it into 8 equal parts, what is the 8? If you divide into 8 equal parts, what is the half of 8? The shaded part will become 4, half of 8, then it becomes 4 by 8. 4 by 8 represents the half of the whole thing. Understood? So all these parts represents the half. So all these fractions are equivalent to the original fraction 1 by 2. So these fractions are known as equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. Next, when we divide it by 10 parts, what is the half of 10? Yes, 5. So we will get 5 by 10. Okay, so 5 by 10, 4 by 8, 3 by 6, 2 by 5. All these fractions represents the half of the whole thing. So these fractions are known as equivalent fractions. So how do you obtain equivalent fraction? It's very simple. To obtain equivalent fraction, the given fraction is 1 by 2. Okay, multiply 2 up and down. The same number. So we will get 2 by 4. See, 2 by 4. Now, 1 by 2. Multiply 3 in the numerator and denominator. Multiply 3 up and down. So, you will get 3 by 6. Next equivalent fraction. Then, 1 by 2. Multiply by 4. 4 by 8. Third equivalent fraction. 1 by 2. Multiply by 5. 5 by 10. So, to get equivalent fraction, it's very simple. Multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Or we can say simply 1 by 2 equal to, go on writing the tables of 1 in the numerator and go on writing the tables of 2 in the denominator. 1's table, next 2, 2's table, 2 2's are 4. Then 3 times 3 by 2 3's are 6. 1's table write down, 2's table write down. Next 4, 2 4's are 8. Next 5, 10. So writing like this, continuing like this, we can make so many equivalent fractions. Okay. So equivalent fractions are obtained by multiplying same number in the numerator and denominator of the given fraction. Okay, I hope you understood the equivalent fractions. So go through all the notes and see that the concepts are clear. Thank you.